The best looking roof styles that also add resale value. Here's what most homeowners don't realize about their roof. Choosing the wrong color could cost you $40,000 in lost home value. I've installed over 8,000 roofs in New Jersey, and I can tell you that the difference between a roof that adds serious value to your home and one that's just there comes down to a few key choices that most contractors won't tell you about. Think of it like this. I had a client last month who was getting ready to sell their home. They put $25,000 into a basic roof replacement, thinking all roofs were pretty much the same. When the appraisal came back, $35,000 lower than expected, they were devastated. The appraiser specifically noted that the roof style didn't match the home's architectural character or the neighborhood standards. In this video, I'm going to show you the top roof styles that not only look stunning, but will actually boost your home's value. I've been installing roofs for over 2 decades, and I'll share exactly which options give you the best return on investment, from tried and true classics to cutting-edge innovations that can literally pay for themselves. Let me break down the 4 best-looking roof styles that also add serious resale value to your home. And stick around until the end, because the last option I'll share is something that can actually eliminate your energy bills completely. It's a game changer that most homeowners don't even know exists. Timberline architectural shingles, the proven value champion. Let me start with what I consider the foundation of high-value roofing. Timberline architectural shingles. These aren't your basic 3-tap shingles that you see everywhere. Think of these as the little black dress of roofing. They're classic, they're versatile, and they never go out of style. Here's what makes Timberline shingles such a smart investment. They're engineered with a dimensional, layered design that creates deep shadow lines and a sophisticated architectural look. When you're driving through an upscale neighborhood, that rich, textured look you see on the roofs, that's often Timberline shingles. I recently installed these on a colonial-style home in Westfield, New Jersey. The homeowner was worried about resale value as their old 3-tap shingles were making the house look dated. After we installed the new Timberline shingles, the realtor told them the roof alone added $15,000 to their asking price. That's because these shingles don't just look great, they're also incredibly durable and come with one of the best warranties in the industry. Designer GAF Camelot shingles stand out from the crowd. Now, if you want to take your home's curb appeal to the next level, let me introduce you to GAF Camelot shingles. These are what I call the luxury car of roofing materials. They're still laminate shingles like the Timberlines, but they have a distinct artisanal look that sets them apart. The best way to understand the impact of Camelot shingles is through a real example. Recently, I installed these on a colonial-style home in Colts Neck. The homeowner was initially hesitant about the higher cost, but here's what happened. The house next door, almost identical in size and style, but with standard shingles, sold for $45,000 less than my client's home when they both went on the market this spring. The real estate agents specifically highlighted the designer roof as a key differentiator. What makes Camelot shingles so special is their ultra-dimensional design. They're crafted to mimic the look of old-world slate tiles, but without the astronomical cost and structural requirements of real slate. In a sea of cookie-cutter roofs, these make your home stand out in the best possible way. Metal roofing, the modern revolution. Here's where things get really interesting. Metal roofing has come a long way from the corrugated panels you might see on barns. Today's metal roofs are sophisticated, stylish, and incredibly practical. They come in a variety of colors and finishes that can complement any architectural style. Let me share something most contractors won't tell you. Metal roofs have one of the highest returns on investment in the industry. According to recent market research, they can recoup between 85.9% and 95.5% of their cost in added home value. That's because they can last over 50 years, more than twice as long as traditional shingles. The durability of metal roofs isn't just about longevity. I recently installed a metal roof for a client in Brick Township whose home was right on the bay. Their insurance company actually gave them a significant discount on their premiums because metal roofs are so resistant to weather damage. Plus, the modern color technology means these roofs hold their appearance far better than they did years ago. Timberline solar shingles, the future of roofing. Now, here's the game-changing option I promised earlier. Timberline solar shingles. This isn't just a roof, it's a power plant for your home. We've been installing these for several years now, and the results have been incredible. Here's what makes these different from traditional solar panels. They're actually shingles that generate power No more bulky panels mounted on top of your roof. No more worries about leaks or animals nesting underneath. Just a sleek, integrated system that looks like a premium roof while dramatically cutting down or even eliminating your energy bills. Let me share a recent success story. I installed these solar shingles for a family in Cherry Hill last year. Their monthly energy bill went from $380 to just $15. When you factor in the federal tax incentives and state rebates, plus the energy savings, these shingles can actually pay for themselves faster than any other roofing option. But here's what really sets them apart. They come with GAF's rock-solid warranty that covers both the roofing and power generation aspects. This means you get decades of worry-free performance backed by one of the most respected names in roofing. So there you have it, the 4 best roof styles that will not only make your home look fantastic, but also boost its resale value. Whether you go with the tried and true Timberline shingles, the distinctive Camelot design, modern metal roofing, or the innovative solar solution, you're making a smart investment in your home's future. Remember, your roof is more than just protection from the elements. It's a significant part of your home's value and curb appeal. The key is choosing a style that not only looks great, but also provides long-term benefits and returns. Now, if you're thinking about upgrading your roof and want to know which of these options would work best for your specific home and budget, check out my next video, where I break down the exact costs and ROI for each of these styles. You'll get real numbers and examples that will help you make the best decision for your home.